Okay, we have an Xbox One X. Switch to microscope. It's got a pretty obvious problem if I can get it in picture. Supposedly. Well, they said it had bent pins, but you know what? I don't see any bent pins. On either one. What the? Guys? Okay, well, I have no idea what's going on with this one, so we're going to plug it up and find out. Could be a no power, could be anything. All right. Let me set up to plug it up to test it and go from there. Okay, we're ready to do a test. Let's see what is going on here. Flip it over. Okay, we have no video output, it doesn't look like. But it's definitely not an HDMI port job. Alright, let me double check with the client and let them know that this is not an HDMI port job, at least as far as I can tell. It looks like it will probably, if I'm guessing correctly, probably be a retimer, which is fine. We can do that too. But let me check with them. Okay, I've gotten clearance from the customer to proceed, so that's what we're going to do. Okay, we have it apart now. We're going to do some measuring before we assume it's the retimer. Let me look on there. That direction with that side up. We're looking for out, which is the last one. Okay, let's check these guys first. We want to be on continuity and we want to connect the meter. Nope, I am not sending information. Alright, now we want to flip over to continuity. And let's check all of our stuff. We want to be continuous through all these filters. Okay, this time I'm going to check from the pins through the filters. Okay. Okay. Everything seems okay. I'm going to check all the pins on the connector and make sure everything is connected. is solid. Yeah, that's good. Want to double check the connector now that we can get a real good look at it. No bend pins, no bend pins. Both of them look good. So I think that's definitively a retimer issue. All right, so we will do a retimer. Alright, I'm going to do some more cleanup off camera, and then I'll come back once I have it all put back into the housing and all that jazz. Okay, as you can see, regardless of our difficulties, we did get it running. I'm going to see if I can hook up my connector, and if I can, we'll run it through some tests. Or, I'm sorry, my controller. If I can, I will run it through some tests. Okay, we have gotten to controller. Figure out how to get to settings. That'd be awesome. Okay. Settings. Forgive me, this is the first time I'm using the controller, and I really never played these. So, general TV display. Oops, go back to general. Let's go. Okay. Don't think that's where I want to be. Boom. All right. Very nice. Oops. I think I messed up. Oops. There we go. Nice. Okay. So it's putting out 1080p. Beautiful. All right. That is it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.